ShareFactoryStudio on the PS5 recently added these 9 creator packs to their collection. This video will focus on showing you all that the FIFA 23 creator pack can offer you. Generally there are custom intros, outros, titles, stickers, screenshots and transitions. So let's start with intros, outros and titles. So next are the FIFA 23 screenshots. Next are some transitions between some clips. And these are the FIFA 23 stickers. And here are the FIFA 23 text fonts. So that's the FIFA 23 creator pack. On screen now some other videos you may be interested in. I am covering all the other creator packs as well, so do check out the link in the description also. And if you found this useful, please hit the like button. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye.